So let's talk about your customer a little bit. Yeti Bicycles, big move for them to bring stuff back offshore. What prompted them to do that, and how did Parts Badger kind of raise to the occasion to get awarded that big contract?
Yeah, great question. So I think a couple different things. Number one, reshoring, obviously reducing risk. I don't know if that was the most important on their end. I mean, really just US manufacturing and bringing that back, especially with Swiss machines. They're effectively all automated machines, which means rather than having people doing manual labor, opening a door, opening a vise, closing a vise, in and out, in and out, we want people to solve problems. We want people to do complex work, and Swiss machines really takes advantage of what US labor force has to offer. And I think that synergy, bringing the labor back to the US, we could offer price competitive and really reducing the overall risk. I mean, obviously we saw that with COVID, but it's not just COVID now. Now you have geopolitical issues and transportation logistic issues because of other things. I mean, having domestic manufacturing's become a lot more important, not just for Yeti Cycles, but for other companies as well.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Let's fast forward to the future a little bit. So now you got your teeth cut on general machining, now Swiss machining. Where do you think your focus is on solving manufacturers' problems with machine parts?
I think Swiss is definitely a really important part of the story. What we want to do is offer all different types of manufacturing capabilities, even outside of machining. We're getting into sheet metal, injection molding. Swiss is really unique because of the capabilities. So you can do some really complex stuff.
Yes.
And we're really just scratching the surface with these machines and what we're capable of. And now transitioning from initially getting up to speed with the project, we ended up running them about twice as efficient as we expected.
You expected, yeah.
Yep. And now we have capacity to fulfill other needs too for all of our other customers. So whether it's job shop work or getting long-term contracts in, our goal is to keep these machines running, filled, and expand the Swiss cell as a really important package to not only end-to-end machining, but these other manufacturing services as well.
That's awesome.